Hello and welcome to this video sharing a new daily online teaching tip. Our tip for today is on how to transform the long URL code of any link to a more powerful and recognizable one. Working online, our new normal has us generate and share several links on a daily basis, whether we're meeting with coworkers or teams, celebrating an event with friends and family, or sending electronic quizzes, paperwork, surveys, and documents through links. Once you copy the link and paste it on the platform that you're going to share, this is how it looks like. Let's see how we can change this into that in a very easy step, taking less than a minute. Let's join bit.ly.com and start our tour. Sign up with your email account or Gmail, Twitter, or even Facebook. It's a totally free app for personal users, providing capacity of 1,000 links and 50 branded links. If you need more, you can explore a variety of other options to develop your plan. Personally, as a teacher, I've been using the free one since the beginning of the distance learning, and it proved to be very effective. How can we customize our link? Once you log on onto your free account, go to Create and click on it, paste your long URL code, and wait for seconds. Here it is, your customized short link created for you. If you're not happy with that, you can even customize the back half by typing the title of the link that you wish. Okay, so great. Now let's see the further data that Bitly provides us. Once the link has been generated, it's saved for your reference later on. Let's look at this link, and as you can see, it tracks the number of the clicks with the specific dates. It also tracks the platforms the link has been used and accessed from, plus the locations that it has been accessed through. In this way, you can monitor interactions and patterns of use to make your future links more accessible. Hope this tip is helpful to you, and let's start customizing professional, powerful links. Thank you and goodbye.